Tuku Okono osise jata onese ebonuam
Otukunor wenya no kasawa ho ene wenya hama bia bobo osene so ama abafom kakra oprosi no
Ebusia comedian is what TikTokers no abe komadwe akire Dr. Peter Otukunor a director of presidential initiative in agriculture at the presidency. Wabe kan say aba cocoa price ya tiso like ya tiso no. Yes sir. Wabe blame MP before na kan say bi na no na comedian so ebusia. Omo abeke kan omadwen e de akire no. Mema nchire mu no akire wadwen ama me. E wo comment section. Ayi Penyah block media. Mesro say any day. Obe like video no other one put subscribe button somebody click the notification icon for latest update number chere wa adwen de ama me e wo comment section so baso no ase for enya bi ahwe so abra na NDC for ofie no omo keka bo hyensem bebre na de chere Ghana for especially kokwa akuafo no when nsem mahama e kan ye
twa kwae ni na enti enne wo ba western north edru opebra wo be ka se wo srem enso enye sa na net ye.
We have realized that 8 years after the MPP came into government, they have destroyed all our forests. During the Harmattan season in the Western North region, the impact is severe. Our new arrangement is that if you have a cocoa farm, we will drill a borehole on your farm and provide a storage facility so you can conserve water during the rainy season.
When for no fee, you better be 2 borehole near the Politicization see ho. It is your known to now with the host, now with the cocoa no so. Send a bear a best ye ama yetime nyeska.
see aba phobia no ye be be tun so omuni lay pipes amamo na mo da irrigation just say pesia na mo da water info no auto force be can same way
inti abana agba na mbom da mabani di ni tirimi yezendodo da mabani ondwene kwafo mo ho da me peda me ka kira mo ide president Mahama se men kan kira mo de oyenya me na duma NDC baba abem na ye ba abem akoko no ye botum papa bi ma mo akoma atomu yem na enye de ye tum keke fertilizer and ye de baba bio ye mama mu free koko akwan ye botwa ne free spray ye de bama mu free ye de momba boko school so aka ho adi bi osafate bi o de ye bia ye be ya ma koko ekwafo osande Ghana enye Ghana be ye Ghana ofi koko
say ye ba chese koko akuafo no ye be to bag 65 million ye be mama mo nyina scholarship ye be mama we ye be hwe mama free amamo ema another NDC communicator ekotena onua marching with Captain Kojo Smart can say we
now koko kuani bia wo Ghana ha sa NDC bedi akonwa we ya afi bia senia President Rolling Star me ye no senia President Akufo time ye no senia President Mest time ye no senia President Mama time ye no afi bia se ekoton koko na mfaso no ye bi betua bonus e dia ma akuafo no
amuna mutua bonus me akuafo
aba we ba 7 years on tua bonus da see the tua me akuafo da so I said that your can first come and go to your bonus.
Inti mo na mo tua bonus.
You tua bonus afi bia de ma akuafo.
Ye be mamu nyina free ye be mamu health insurance ye be free health care just omo hihye bo hye bebrebe na kire kuku akuafo no ana de emu eyemu kese eyese ye beto bag 65 million e ma beke a 13th February 2025 at the Ministry of Health ye busa auto force say do you still stand by your word say yen to kuku bag 65 million? Can say yes because as of February no na dollar at 15.5 na cocoa at the world market at 11,747 and we calculation na 11,747 times 15.5 na 182,078 cedis who divided by 16 bars because ton be almost 16 bars and as of February 2025 na cocoa ya turn back e wa adwaman so a na Ghana e make 11,379 eduka say o ma cocoa akuafo no 70% ya na wasanka as of February 2025 na etimi to cocoa bag 79 million e wa Ghana ha no wasanka ban etimi to cocoa bag 79 million but o mantum eti January February March na cocoa bo wo soro class na Akufo at the time but o mantum But I saw there, omo so. Na eba na se media so be I can do pe. And I'm so Emma NDC ni I say or your director of presidential initiative in agriculture, Dr. Peter Otukunor. Alternative train na hono can same way.
See, and well, is it the same position you hold, Dr. Kabama?
Absolutely not. I mean, a complete deviation. Actually, the problem of Cocoa Board was President Akufo Addo becoming president and putting the kind of management.
How is that possible?
Yes, and I'm going to be very blunt on it because you see, it's not the institution and the framework that has been created to manage cocoa. It's the individuals we put in charge of cocoa the past 8 years. They have caused the mess. And we need to be very frank about it. You see, from 2017 to 2024, there was just a constant streak of losses that was made by Cocoa Board. And the losses was so huge that you couldn't imagine what was happening. And at the time, cocoa was doing well on the international market. So from 2021, let's say even from 2020, we made a loss of about 199 million Ghana cedis. The following year, 395 million Ghana cedis. The following year, 78 million. We went as high as 400 and something million Ghana cedis.
Wait. Now, what's the source of those?
No, this is Cocoa Board data. This is Cocoa Board data. So you can
the losses that Cocoa Board had been posting.
Yes. This is Cocoa Board data.
From which year exactly?
From 2021, 199 million cedis.
Okay.
2022, 395 million cedis. 78 million 2023. Then 275 million. Then 426 million. And so it's been constant streak. So you would recall that somewhere between the 2022-2023 season, when we did the cocoa bills restructuring and under the DDEP, and the payments for those bills that were due were moved from beyond 2024, 2025 to 2028. They came out and said that they've chucked a profit of about 2.3 billion. Yes. You remember that?
Yes.
And that was the only artificial calabule profit.
What do you mean?
That was announced at the time. And so that was the only time that they announced something different apart from losses. And so it's been constant mismanagement, constant underperformance in the past 8 years. And that is what has brought us this far. We lost, because of this mismanagement, we lost our cocoa syndication. We couldn't go to the market. It collapsed completely. And obviously that was what led to the restructuring in 2023. There were other issues that has to do with just over procuring things that were not needed. In fact, the last 8 years, the agronomic responsibility of Cocoa Board was completely ignored. You know, Cocoa Board has two responsibilities: the agronomic responsibility and the economic responsibility. So they are supposed to help the farmers to be more productive, to produce more, to be more efficient. In the last 8 years, the activities that we have done in the past to support the farmers, like the free fertilizer, the spraying exercise, and even the extension services that is offered to the farmer, was completely taken away. So you have the instance where Cocoa Board was spending all their money on needless procurement. And you heard Randy Abbey talk about the 26 billion, cocoa roads contract. That was not that alone. In fact, 4 days to elections, they were issuing LCs of about $48 million to buy cocoa sacks. Meanwhile, the cocoa sacks that were bought in 2021 are still in the stores. They have about 94,000 bales of the cocoa sacks of 2021 in the stores, some of which they used last year, 2024, 2025, 2026 season. And what is left can be used for 2026, 2027. Yet they issued LCs of 48 million to buy some bills. And the sad aspect is that the bills they imported in 2022, those they imported in 2023, and those they even imported early 2024 were not cleared from the port. And they are still at the port. And so you can't just understand what the Akufo Addo government and the management of Cocoa Board were doing in the last 8 years. It's unbelievable.
And that's the reason
decisions they made were so injurious, not only to the sector, but to the economy of Ghana.
You see, I asked you the source of it.
Yeah,
just quick one.
See,
yes.
When we politicize the Cocoa Board
issue, you see,
I beg you, 1 minute, 1 second. I beg you. I beg you.
Yes.
We will not solve the problem. Okay? Do you know what took Mr. Opuni to court? All right? And when you talk about the bills and jute and whatever, I agree with you, it's wrong. Do you know the government under which Ghana
if you agree with me, let me say it.
I beg you. I'm making my point. I'm saying I agree with you on the mess in cocoa board, but it didn't start in the 80s. Ghana recorded its highest cocoa production under Akufo Addo. 2020, 2021, over 1 million tons, the highest ever in our history.
And I'll tell you why.
Hold on. And the mess started way before even Mahama 1 government. Now, what we need to appreciate is that, look, we have a whole class of cocoa farmers who have what we call collateral economic effect on a nation. And we need to look at them as a special group. If there is going to be any welfare, we should target it at them. How many of us here didn't benefit from cocoa scholarships? The point is this. Deal with the problems. I will agree with you if you find the people who imported those bills and lock them up. Yes. Okay? And the people who did fertilizer deals in the previous government and lock them up. But let's not make it a political thing. You knock it here and knock it back. We should focus on cocoa board as a national issue and deal with it. Okay. Because so many people, millions, with collateral economic effect, all right, are going to suffer because of some of these things.
And in fact, that probe that you talk about, the finance minister has indicated there is going to be.
Good.
That probe.
So, Alfred, if I can finish my point.
For those who have to answer questions to do so. No, I wanted to conclude because Honorable Andy Appiah will come to
Alfred, you see, the reason why you can't do discussions on cocoa without, bringing in politics or bringing in the politique and those elites who run government is that cocoa is a political matter that touches the lives of not only millions of farmers, but the entire nation. And that is why I am not worried the MPP did the press conference they did last few days. But I am heavily worried because they had to say the things they said after the mismanagement and how they managed cocoa board in the past few years. I've had to bring all these things in because the opposition are speaking. And they are making noise. And they caused this mess. Look, the rollover contracts of the 333,000 cocoa that we had to supply. Are you aware that if we were selling that cocoa that we produced last year, we are going to make over $941 million US. That's almost $1 billion. $1 billion. And guess what? We had to sell that under the current price regime. They locked the contract in at $2,600. $2,600. When cocoa was selling at 10,000, and you displayed that. Cocoa was selling 10,000 on the spot market. In the futures market, $12,000 US. And they locked in a contract of 2,600. And you said this is not a political matter. This must not be discussed. This cannot be said. No, please, Kofi, let me land, please.
Okay.
I mean, please allow me to make my analysis. I mean, you are not being fair to me. So these are issues that we have to talk about. And look, you cannot talk about the reforms and the resetting we are putting in place if you do not discuss this and let people appreciate what we are going through. These are very difficult times. And so last year, we have had to buy cocoa at the current prevailing price and sell it at $2,600. Those losses, who are going to pay for it? Almost $150 million US. We wanted to be true and fair. In fact, look, no government has been true and fair to the cocoa farmer like we have done in the past year. And we are doing so because we want the cocoa farmer to get the full benefit of what they are supposed to get. Indeed, until 2025, we were not paying more than 70% of the FOB price to any cocoa farmer. In 2024, when the MPP announced the 3,000 Ghana cedi per bag, they told us that they were paying 2,600, they were paying 3,000 because they want to do 76% of the cocoa price. At the time, they had signed a forward contract of about 3,200. And so the 3,200, when they sell it at 3,000 Ghana cedi per bag, they were doing 76% of that price. But the actual price on the international market was 9,600, which is the FOB price. And so when you are doing the analysis and you want to be fair to the people, you price according to the price on the international market, not the forward sales that you have locked in. And the difference is almost about $6,000. And you say that you are doing 76%. So actually, between 2003 and 2023 and 2024, you would realize that the government was paying only 25% of the FOB price. 25% of the FOB price. And so government is saying that, okay, look, the farmer must benefit from the toil. And so the thing is trading on the international market. It's like selling maize at 700, and you have a maize, and you want to sell it at 800. It won't work. So if the international price, the FOB price is 5,000, 5,200, 5,800, let's make an adjustment so that constantly the farmer can get 70% of the returns. Indeed, at the current price, which you displayed, $3,700.
Yeah.
At the FOB price, yes, $3,700.
Yes, this is.
If you look at this value and the amount we are paying to the cocoa farmer, it is beyond 90%. And it has never been done in the history of Ghana. In fact, the 90% of FOB price that we are paying to the farmer is historic since the days of Tetekwashi. So these are things that we must bring out, and together as a people, difficult times, we have to galvanize the farmers to understand the realities of what we are putting in, and the fact that even the prices that we have put out, even though it's a reduction of the previous year's own, it makes them even more profitable and better off than keeping the beans and the beans going bad.
Make it defense. Now me maintain this for na say. Mo ka say Akufo Addo ntutu emu ye na mo born ene ye no. Senga Akufo Addo at the price ni call 65 million. Ana mo buy a world market eswatia. Anka mo be kan dey na achire kokwa akuafo. Anka be kan dey. Because obi di 65. Now we bet super from 65 million to 25 million. Ebe anka mo be kan dey. 31 million kura match so about 25. No Ghana for bofu. Now imagine from 65 million to 25 and give it to Madiaso. And give it to Madiaso. Kakuafo no be to Madiaso. Come be to Momona to egu. Etimunya defense no. Na say na work na ohonom no. E na ko bi na say Ghana for no. Abe class you know in fact omo bo ma dwen pa e de chile.
Tuku okono osise jata onese ebonuam ose supply ose ne wano se oji se Ghana for ya adwin so yenim nyansa pa ana adwin se yabon yenim ade pa oba be ka che Ghana for se John Dramani Mahama ekoko na wode aba 2000 na Ghana for akuafo esu no eso won faso chen ye friend say na do dan kwa Akufo Addo ekoko a na ye tono 3,100 and something. Oga the Ghana for sebi adwin so on mo na ma adwin so amonyene nkọ akiri se ka adwin nkọ akiri a sa amre ya Ghana for su no e so be kanya asasem e de kire we Ghanaians we cocoa farmers what best can we cocoa farmers e wie o be kanya asasem a kire se be ka kire se and the current cocoa price no eso won faso chen eye nana adokwa danko Akufo Addo a ogiri nipa ho ejiri cocoa fuo ho enim nyansa ye di buman a obefa cocoa free for 400 and something cedis edikodu sika pole million ediasa baako mo adwin so anti munim ade eso na munim ade eketwa munim ade eso so mfaso na munim ade eso so mfaso adwene ne wo fo munti monyene nkwa akiri nti oba be ka che Ghana for se sa sika we so wo mfaso koko na wate so no ma fa akuafo 11 million edi no eso wo mfaso chen na do dan kwa Akufo Addo na odi ni nyina ma omo wa adwe ne wo fom adwe no e wo fom
Otukunor wenya no kasawa ho ene wenya hama bia bobo sene so ama abafom kakra opurosi no afesi yehu Otukunor anim de ne yedi hu mienu na etwi animu no Wose de ye Otukunor ene se world market ebo abafom de a ene wu post na ene agric minister de ne yepe etijai na eso ntene mfantu akuafo ne ka sa portfolio na we de se blàst house na waka wano atumu no na de wunye dede na aningwase entre eto de wahu kwan apie bulldog ubebu boma me se wo portfolio na ekura na ne agric minister yankate course mfiri wo office ho ojeje ntwie modi akwato de ne bodwa edurumo so de amudi hyenua ne nhoma na mu hwie asemwe kopim samudi akuafo ni sika bema wo mo no boa mo se ya te petro so etimote so kitua bi enso petre ye si adwama so ya tetu so say hu anka de ye tonu e wasenka mu chemu mienu kura mo teso kura enso mate so kitua bi na kura sori e masa atum mo fi say ye jimion na da wo ka kire Ghana fo mu ntie utu omufo mu ntie age senso hwe eno o makofa de entere abeto ye se akoto abama niema emu brofo kankan aya sadi ekun ye emi yere ho para wanya ho ebe kwan o wodi enkwase bonim enkwonkwase bonim wanim so pro
Chira wa adwe mame e wo comment section. How you Penyah Block Media.